In this video, I will show you how to add logo to your business profile in Google Map. Let me show you how. Open up your Google Map app. Go ahead and click on business. Then go ahead and click on more. Go ahead and click on logo. Then go ahead and click on add photos. Then here, select the logo you want to use or whatever avatar you want to use as a logo to your business profile in Google Map. I'm going to use this particular image right here. Then click on done. Then go ahead and click on post. And you are done. It's that simple. Then you can close the tab. Just like so. Now we have the logo